Hello and welcome back. I'm gonna add in the fins for the face thing, but I'm gonna delete this first. No, delete. And we're just going to move this into a position that's just slightly behind this eyebrow here. Like so. And then we're going to put a ball on the end here. There we go. Still kind of freaking out. Alright, well I'll have to fix that when I make it geometry. So let's do that. We'll go solo, and I'm really not sure. Well, I think it's twisted, but that's fine. So we'll go geometry. Let's give this some we'll just go inflate, and we'll just inflate this. Just kind of get it all sorted properly. And there we go, that looks better. Yeah, so now we can just kind of move everything back into place. Awesome. So we'll append in another cube, and we'll take this cube and scale it down. And move it into position. Like so. It's probably the best angle we can get, and we can alter that manually now. So we'll go back and add some geometry. What are these? Yeah, good. So we still need this to be, for the most part, in the middle of these sections here. Yeah, just like that. We can use the transparent just to make sure that they're sitting, you know, roughly in the middle. And then we'll just give it some. Yeah. Nice. It looks alright for now. We'll do the rest as well. Yeah. So like I think I said yesterday, this is the last one from here for a little bit. I'll try my best to keep up during Christmas. As I said, it might be hard, but I will have, like I said, the Surface and phone. So hopefully with the combination of those two I can do something. I'll take my sketchbook as well. But I will leave it there, mainly because I have some stuff to do, but that kind of gives you an idea of how I did the scales. I mean, not the scales, the fins. I used the same technique for the tail and the head, and we'll use the same, for the arms as well. But leave it there. So hopefully, if you if you're finished for work as I am for the year, then have a good holiday. If you're still working, then hold in, because it's, well, hopefully no one's working Christmas, but if you are, then, you know, feel for you. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers.